frozen meat is a common kitchen challenge, often met with frustration and unsafe practices, but it can be done safely and effectively with the right approach. The primary goal is not to hack through a solid block of ice, which is incredibly dangerous and can lead to serious injury, but rather to prepare the meat just enough so it can be cut with control. The most crucial first step is a partial thaw. Never attempt to slice meat that is frozen solid from the freezer. Instead, you need to soften the exterior just slightly. The best way to do this is with a cold water bath. Place your meat in a leak-proof, sealed plastic bag and submerge it completely in a bowl of cold tap water. Let it sit for about 30 to 90 minutes, depending on the size and thickness of the cut. You should change the water every 30 minutes to ensure it stays cold and safe. The objective is to have an exterior that yields slightly to firm pressure, while the inside remains frozen and rigid. This firm interior is actually an advantage, especially if you want to make very thin, precise slices for dishes like stir-fries, cheese steaks, or hot pot. Once your meat is partially thawed, safety becomes the next priority. Your cutting surface must be completely stable. Place a damp paper towel or a non-slip mat under your cutting board to prevent it from sliding around. The choice of knife is equally important. You need a very sharp, sturdy, and heavy knife. A good, heavy chef's knife or a meat cleaver is ideal. A long, serrated bread knife can also be surprisingly effective, as the teeth can grip the icy surface and initiate the cut more easily than a smooth blade. Avoid using flimsy, flexible, or dull knives at all costs, as they are far more likely to slip off the hard surface and cause an accident. When you are ready to cut, grip the meat firmly with your non-dominant hand, keeping your fingers curled back and away from the blade's path. Position the knife where you want to make the cut and apply firm, steady, downward pressure. Use your body weight to help drive the knife through the meat. Do not try to hack or chop at it violently. Instead, use a slow, controlled rocking motion. Let the knife's sharpness and weight do most of the work for you. If the knife gets stuck, do not try to wrench it out. Carefully and calmly work it back and forth to loosen it. For larger pieces, you can score the surface first to create a channel for the blade to follow. Remember, patience is key. Rushing this process is the fastest way to make a mistake. By focusing on a slight thaw, a stable setup, and the right tool used with controlled pressure, you can turn a dangerous chore into a simple food prep task. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more essential kitchen tips.